Hey guys, welcome. Amanda here, and today I'm sharing with you some of my favorite healthy hiking snacks that you can take out on the trails with you this summer. So my pack is full of all these goodies, and let's do it. Guys, so here are my favorite protein bars to take on the trail. First up are these Go macro bars. I think I have another one in here. Yeah. They have a lot of different flavors depending on what you like, and some of them say high protein, so I usually grab those. But they're really good ingredients that I can pronounce, and that's kind of one of the main things that I look for in a bar, and of course that it tastes good and it feels like satisfying. So these are really good. I also love, where are they? The oat mega bars. These are probably my go-to bar because they're the cheapest, and I get them at Target, and they taste really good, good quality ingredients, and some protein and omega-3s. And then last up is these Square Organic Square Bars, and these are so good. They are covered in chocolate, which is both amazing and also a little problematic if you're hiking a lot in the desert or in the heat like I do. And so usually when I open it up, it's just like the chocolate has melted everywhere, which I will probably never be complaining about melted chocolate anywhere, but bring a little baggie to put the trash in because you don't want to get chocolate all over your backpack. There are a bunch of people coming. Now I just look like a crazy person. Like Mary Poppins. I just have an endless bag of goodies here. So the next up is this classic apple and peanut butter. I love these Justin's packets, and this is the almond butter one, but I also love the peanut butter one, and just grab an apple and fly. And I'm good to go. Next up are just a little trail mix here. This one, I just make my own. So I find that most store-bought trail mixes are pretty expensive, and they're mostly just peanuts, and I don't really like eating just peanuts. And so I make my own. I just go to the bulk section and grab a couple of your favorite nuts or seeds or dried berries. This I have walnuts and pecans and pumpkin seeds, and you can sprinkle some cinnamon in. And so this is just like a really cost-effective way to get exactly what you like. Next up, okay, I love plantain chips. I will just eat these out of the bag or put them in a smaller bag if I don't want to carry the whole bag on the trail. But these, and then if I'm at camp or just in my everyday life, I'll sometimes scoop avocado onto these. And so they're just really crunchy, and I love them, and they're also salty, so I like that when I'm sweating out on the trail a lot. Let's see, what else do I have for you? And then the next thing that I love to take on the trail are homemade protein energy bites. And so I made these at home the other night, and these are just full of chia seeds and peanut butter and oats and protein powder, and they're pretty cheap to make. I probably wouldn't take this whole bag full of these, but maybe just like 2 or 3 of them. And while I'm talking to you about this, this one and this one are stasher bags, and I just discovered these, and they're reusable plastic bags. They seal really, really well, and I'm just trying to reduce the amount of plastic that I consume because I love nature, and just why not, right? These are reusable, and for the price of a couple boxes of those plastic ones, you can just reuse this one. And I've tried a couple different brands, and this Stasher brand is definitely my favorite. So you can make these protein bars or protein bites, and I'll link to a couple of my favorite recipes on the blog post with this video so that you can try some of those. But sometimes I just make them up myself too, just like throw a bunch of things in a bowl, make a ball, put it in the fridge, and then throw it in my pack whenever I'm ready to go. All right, so that's it. These are some of my favorite hiking snacks of the moment, and I would love to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite protein bars or snacks that you love to take out on the trails, because I'm always looking for some new ideas. Like this video if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe because I have tons of outdoor resources and yoga videos, and I'd love for you to be a part of this community. It is amazing. Take a deep breath, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah!